Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to install Open Broadcaster software for video recording and live streaming in your computer. It is available, just search it on Google, open this link. It is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. I am here using Linux, and so just follow these instructions from obsproject website. Copy this command, open your terminal, then paste it here and run it. Your password, it's already have installed. Now copy this command. I'm going to download this app repository. Enter, press enter. It's now downloading the repository. It will take a little time. Now I will update sudo apt-get update, copying this command. Sudo apt-get update, already updated. Now I am copying sudo apt-get install obs-studio. Now it's installing. Press Y. Yes, it's installed. Now search on your computer OBS. Press enter. Yes, it's installed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.